Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women, stylish blouse designs, top designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. You can see beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women tops designs, blouse designs, mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can wear this very beautiful blouse and tops in the birthday party, wedding party or office work. Casual use with matching pant designs, skirt designs as you like. Most beautiful, most trendy women stylish blouse designs, top designs you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another. Highly running ideas, highly running stylish top designs, top patterns for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy women stylish blouse designs, top designs you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women blouse, garter dresses, beautiful skirts you can see in this my channel. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women today's fashion.